Welcome back everyone to another video on CSS Grid, and today I'll show you how you can target two different areas and put something that is still a rectangle, but we'll see in the next video how you can transform it to not be a rectangle. Alright, so let's go back to the code, sorry. What we're going to do is we are actually going to split that line in two. This is going to be 1, 1, and here I'm going to call this one top left. Here we go, top left, and I'm going to call this one top right, and here top right as well. And if I save this, you'll see that now we have a little bit more interesting grid. If I go here, we have the top left here, the top right here. And I'm going to target my before element to those two areas. So it goes like this. It starts at top left start, ends at top left end. The column top left start ends at top right end. And we could use this one here if we want to be like symmetric, but it doesn't really matter much. And what you can see here is we have our element that is covering the top left element, top right element, and everything that's in between. So I'm going to define a color that's a little bit gentler than yellow, and let's say something like the 20-20-20. And this is going to be a small backdrop for our page. And we'll see on the next video how you can do overlapping stuff using CSS Grid. I hope to see you there. Cheers!